What? 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 Hey guys, this is Dami here and I'm back with another video. As you guys can already tell, I am so excited to show you guys how I did these butterfly locks. So if you are interested, make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss another video. Also like this video because you know it's about to be a banger. But we don't have any time to waste because this is the style that I want to share now. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first things first, we're just gonna start with the braiding pattern. So as you guys can see, it's just a box braid type pattern. I have about 38 braids on my head. I did my parts pretty big because I wanted my hair to be able to withstand the weight of the expression and the hair that I would be putting on top. As you guys can see, I single braided my hair on its own and twisted the ends so that when I'm taking the hair out, I'm not causing unnecessary tension to my ends. However, as you'll see for the front of my hair, I twisted more than I braided. This is a method that I've discovered helps me protect my hair from unnecessary pulling and breakage. The hair that I'll be using today is this pre-stretched water wave, which I got from my local beauty supply store. If you go on YouTube, you're gonna see a lot of people using free tress hair. And that hair is great, but I got this hair pretty last minute, and water wave is water wave, so you can honestly use any water wave hair. Don't feel like you need to get one specific brand of hair. So next up, you can see me separating the curls a bit. So this just helps the hair not be too defined and actually create the butterfly look that we are going for. So after I've done that, I make one side long and one side short. Now I'm ready to crochet. So I put the crochet hook through my head, I attach the hair to the crochet hook, close the latch, pull it through, and as I'm pulling it through, I am making sure that I have one short side and one long side. That long side just helped me to achieve this longer looking bob look. And as you can see, I wrap tightly about 3, 4, even 5 times at my roots, and then I start incorporating my thumb into it. As you can see, I'm using my thumb to create little hoops, little loops. And as I wrap around my thumb creating those loops, it's also helping me wrap a little bit looser. The way to get this butterfly look that we're all going for is that looser lock pattern. Once I get to the bottom, it's really important that we just wrap back up the braid. You'll notice that if you wrap up in the wrong direction, it'll just unravel, but you will see the direction, like it bends in the direction that it wants to wrap back up. And that's it. So let's do this again. I start by separating the water wave hair so the curls are not as defined. I put the crochet hook through. I attach the hair to the crochet hook, I close the latch, pull that hair through using my hands, I make sure that one side is shorter than the other, then I start wrapping. I wrap tightly 4 to 5 times around my roots, making sure the hair is secure, and then I use my thumb to create the butterfly look that we're all going for. With the thumb, it helps me not wrap as tightly, as well as create the tiny loops that create the butterfly effect. As you can see, going up the braid, I'm twisting in the same direction that I used to go down. And this helps the hair stay. With this method, I didn't have to use glue, I didn't have to use heat, nothing. And here you can clearly see how secure my ends are. These are the ends, very nice and secure. I'm gonna let you guys watch me do it a few more times and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I latch it through, I make sure that one side is longer than the other. I do this to the length of what I would want the lock to be. Then I wrap tightly 4 to 5 times along my roots, and then using my thumb, I create the butterfly effect wrapping down the hair. It's really important that when you're going down the hair, you wrap loosely. As you can see in this braid, I'm wrapping a little too tightly. So I'll show you how I fix that. Just like that. As I wrap tightly, I am loosening it with my hands, allowing it to not be as tight. At the end of the day, when I put the hair down, it matched very nicely because when I let go, it almost shriveled up and made a curl, which just adds to the butterfly look. I absolutely love this style and I will be doing it again because this is such a versatile style. Even if you don't know how to do hair, I guarantee you this style is not hard to come by because this was my very first time doing this style. Every single lock looks different, but together, masterpiece. And here I want to show you how I do the end, wrapping back up the hair in the same direction I wrapped down. This is mandatory if you want it to stay and you don't want to use glue or heat or nothing. I'm gonna slow this down because this is a perfect example of how to use your thumb to achieve the butterfly look. As you can see, my thumb is going underneath the hair, staying under majority of the time, helping to create these loops by allowing the hair not to wrap as tightly around itself. Look at that, perfect butterfly lock. As I wrap down and I start to get to my desired length, I begin to compare my hair to the hair surrounding just so I can get a pretty even look. Oh wow, guys, this hair is a vibe. And I'm almost done. So in total, this style took about 3 hours to achieve, and that's not including the braids. I had braided my hair the day before. After washing it, I had moisturized it and done these braids, and then the next day it was just about wrapping it, and that took about 3 hours. Because it was my first time doing it, I wanted to make sure that I did it well, as well make sure that my method was good before bringing it to you guys. It's important that as you guys are wrapping back up the hair, you continue with the thumb butterfly method. In this lock, I had not done so, so to compensate, I just manually loosened the hair at the bottom with my hand. Last section, I'm going to show it to you guys one more time. So as I wrap around my roots to create a tight and flat top. Then when I start wrapping to create the butterfly effect, I'm just wrapping kind of tightly actually around my thumb. By putting the thumb there, it helps me to wrap loosely, but my method is still the same. I'm still wrapping with the same amount of force that I did to wrap the top, but because my thumb is there, it's making it a lot looser. And also because my thumb is there, the hair is not able to lay as flat as it did in the top, creating this butterfly look. Once I get to the bottom, I wrap the remaining hair up in the direction that I wrapped down, and that is it. Oh my gosh, I can't, I'm looking at myself, I don't believe it. Oh my days. This is so cute. This is better than I even thought. Oh my gosh. No, 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 stop it, no. No, this is it. What? What? Butterflylocs? Why am I just finding out about this now? What? Are you silly? Are you silly? I love this hair. But hold up. Hold up. Hold on. Let me be right back. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I know you guys liked the video, so make sure you guys smash that like button. Also comment down below, did you like it? Let me know. Talk to me. Let's talk to one another. If you guys want me to explain any part again, just let me know. Also make sure to subscribe. If you have made it to the end of this video, subscribe. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week in another video. Follow me on Instagram. Totally forgot about that. Guys, if you want to see the different ways that I'm going to style this hair, if you guys want to see the different ways I am going to style this hair, follow me on Instagram. It's the only way. At all things Dami. Have a good week, guys.
I want to know what.
Can you guys see the gold? Can you guys see the details? It's the attention to details for me. It is the attention to details for me. Guys, if you guys notice the details, put it in the comment section. It's the attention to details for me. Okay, I need to go to sleep. I got work tomorrow. Nurse Dams signing out.